Good afternoon folks, Owen here in Auto Assure in Dundalk. Just jumping on really quickly to show you this absolutely gorgeous car we just got in. It's a 2025 Volkswagen Tiguan. It's a plug-in hybrid 1.5 TSI. It is an R-Line finished in moonstone grey metallic. Gorgeous combination. In the R-Line it has the gloss black detailing on the front bumper. It's got the LED light bar going right across the front, and we've had this car completely de-chromed as well. Looking at it from the back there, you can see there it's the E-hybrid, so it's a plug-in hybrid, and that car will give you an electric only range of 100 kilometers, which is really good for those short journeys, and it's quite cheap to charge as well. 20-inch diamond cut alloy wheels, absolutely unmarked, and you can see the gloss black detailing continued onto the windows and the roof rails. Moving into the interior, we have this completely upgraded cockpit, ambient lighting, customizable, whatever colour you want, touchscreen, MMI, widescreen. We've got the flat bottom multi-function steering wheel, adaptive cruise control, we've the virtual cockpit there, 2 wireless chargers, heated front and rear seats. Absolutely buckets of spec on this car. So not only do you have the electric driver seat adjustment with memory function, we have full leather, heated and ventilated massage seats. So do as you please. This car has pretty much got every extra you can think of. So as we said, 2025 Volkswagen Tiguan plug-in hybrid, sitting with 37,300 kilometers on the clock. If you're interested, drop us a message 087 1522599 or check it out online www.autoassure.ie. Going live this evening.